Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now moving on, the next new feature that you will come across in WordPress 6.0 is the retention of block styles on transformation. Now, when you create pages and posts in WordPress, you know, there are chances that later on you might feel a block that you might have added is no more suitable for the page anymore, and you would want to transform it. In such situations, what used to happen before WordPress 5.9 was that that it would lose all of its styling when you would transform it. For example, if I would transform this h2 into a paragraph block, it will lose its style in WordPress 5.9. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the WordPress 5.9, and when I would transform this h2 into a paragraph block, you will notice that this styling, this background color would disappear. You can see right over here, the background color disappeared. Okay, this is just a normal regular paragraph block, no styling. Okay, now this has changed in WordPress 6.0, where now it will retain styles when transformed. You can see right over here, it retains style. So this is another improvement that you will see in WordPress 6.0 for the block editor. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.